Silver lines don't always shine bright. Give it time, I'll rest when I die. Wanna find my way to limelight, step aside.
They said to shoot for the stars, but frown when I'm not down to earth. Try to drag me like gravity, but I can never be bound to dirt. Cause it took off when I found the words. Time to get to some nouns and verbs that I could turn to cloud and earn respect amongst the crowd. And burn these rappers that a body who got bars basic like alkaline. Cause it says a 9 to challenge a mastermind in his prime. I run against the clock just so I can pass the time. If money talks, then I'll be flirting with the dime. I can never leave the game, I've become too devoted. Get a mattress if you're gonna sleep on me like melatonin. So until my bread is growing from this shit I set in motion, I'ma run these tracks until my legs are broken. I used to change up my persona like SMT, avoiding who I was set to be, not wanting anyone to think less of me. Till I took control of my destiny, and ever since I've been pedaling for better things. And I know that's what's ahead of me now.
Silver lines don't always shine bright. Give it time, I'll rest when I die. Wanna find my way to limelight, step aside. My shine, you won't take my shine. You won't take my shine. You won't take my, so don't waste my time.
On the scene looking like old snap table. You don't gotta be shy, it's okay to just ask. Take one. Wondering if my mind is making shit up. Wondering why my life's never enough. When my eyes will adjust. 6 months and it still ain't hit me. I don't ever wear my goals. Still wondering if they fit me. I buy new clothes. Got familiar out the ceiling. Trying to make some shit that smell like 𝒅𝒊𝒕. So when me and G hit the scene, it's a call to action. Lights, camera. We accustomed to lights flashing. Something is my accent. Finna be typecasted. I mean, it's just how it is when you eye-catching. Lights flash, might crash in another whip. Bystanders distracted, I'm having another sip. Might hit a little bit of this, a little bit of that, right? A little bit of silver lining,
silver lines don't always shine bright. Give it time, I'll rest when I die. Wanna find my way to limelight, step aside. My shine, you won't take my shine. You won't take my shine. You won't take my, so don't waste my, so don't waste my
glow. I'm just trying to make a wave, they say I showboat. I had some people turn on me, that shit was so cold. But they be living in a bubble, that's a snow globe. Now if you don't know what I was feeling, weathered down, I got my things together now. With this music, I let it out. They talking shit, but what about it? Seems like I'm doing good without it. Going right through, no way around it. Inside the dark where I was found, how many times ain't even counting. They say shoot for the stars, so I'm pulling up on Jimmy Fallon. Lights, camera, action, better give me that shit. Wanna shift the axis, they say pick a pattern. Nah, bitch, I want my cake and eat it too. With some milk, no tit for tat. It's a sunny day, why you stay inside? You feel stuck in place, why you wasting time? Why you advise them thoughts, who you trying to vilify? You a young god, they should build a shrine. Feel the shine, silver line, yeah.
Don't always shine bright, give it time. I'll rest when I die. Wanna find my way to limelight, step aside. My shine, you won't take my shine. You won't take my shine. You won't take my, so don't waste my, so don't waste my time.
Take me to places I've never seen before. I'm losing track of feelings that I thought we could ignore. Yeah, I want a place where it's sunny and we can explore. Who are you hiding from? You're not feeling like we need to get back to where we came to. I think I need to love you more. I'm wasting all my time on bad things I can't hide from. I don't know who I'm fighting for. When I saw your face, I knew it was over. Lost in your gaze. Remember I told you, just wanna stay. Feels so good when I'm in. When I'm in.
the sugar I need. Honey used to make me better. Come close, tell me all I wanna hear.
Yeah, where you wanna go? It's late at night. Do you wanna talk or go for a ride? Don't know what to do when you're by my side. Give you what you want, anything, it's fine. We got our secrets and nowhere to go. Our feelings stay mutual, I know that you know. Heaven's like nothing when we take it slow. Tempting forever when you say hello. When I saw your face, I knew it was over. Last thing you gaze, remember I told you. Just wanna say, feels so good when I'm with you,
The only thing I ask of you is that you don't wait for me. Cause see, I keep on chasing after you, but you keep chasing dreams. You know I've always got your back, I'm with you faithfully. Just know your absence always leaves a massive pit of vacancy inside me. But I'll just keep providing you the space you need. I hope this magic ain't imaginary, make believe. Cause every moment with you, sweet as sap inside a maple tree. Your happiness contagious like a pathogenic agency. Whenever we're together, we both laugh so much it aches to breathe. I watch as minutes turn to hours, turn to days to weeks without you. But this love is way too powerful to taste defeat. And so I vow to love you patiently. Even if it's unreciprocated, unrequited, I won't waver in the slightest, I won't trade it for the world. And maybe that's a lie, but listen baby, I've been trying, I've been waiting all this time. But don't you wait for me now, girl.